Okay, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today asking, what do you need to do to trust yourself more? And what you need to do to trust yourself more is the King of Pentacles is telling you to feel more safe and secure within yourself. So a nice affirmation you might want to repeat daily is, I am safe and secure within myself and I trust myself fully. Okay, that's an affirmation that I want you to repeat. And that'll help you to start to trust yourself more and feel safe and secure in yourself, therefore knowing that you can make the right choices for yourself. And I asked for clarification as well on all of this, and the Fool card came through. And that's all about you connecting with your inner child, fun, playfulness. So for you to really learn to trust yourself, you need to connect with that child, innocent part of yourself, the part of you that did trust from the beginning, that hasn't got all the other stuff that's happened as you've gone on in your life, and then you learn to not trust yourself. You've got to connect with that inner child in that solar plexus area and have a little bit of fun, lighten the energy a little bit, and be more playful, because that's what the inner child loves. And that'll connect you back to trusting yourself more as you let the burdens of anything that's happened release, that anything that's blocking you from trusting yourself release, go back to the innocence of the child, the fun, the playfulness, and then you'll be able to trust yourself more. I hope this helps. Let me know. Let me know in the comments if it has. Make sure you give it a like so I know you're liking it and I can bring you more. Subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're notified of upcoming videos and readings that I do. And I'll chat to you all soon. Bye.